So you decided to use the awning. Great. Check out this video. I'll show you how to do it in case you forgot. It is very, very simple. All right. So first you're going to get this thing out. It's an awning puller downer. I don't know what it's called. But you want to take off these black, whatever they're called, throw them into storage. And these are really for safety to make sure the awning doesn't fall off. You bring the camera around here. After you take off the black, then these are the actual latches. So those latches come off. You got two of those. This is the trickiest part. You just take this and you push up. Okay. Now it's ready to pull down. Okay. Hook in. And you just pull it all the way down. Alright. So here, see it's down. Those go right up. They should be nice and loose. Make sure that that is loose. You want it loose. This simply just goes right up. Making sure it's loose. Latches right in. Okay? Now, to get the awning where you want it, simply pull this handle right here. Move down. And you move the awning up where you want it. After the awning's moved up, if you want to, feel free. Take this, put it out of the way. That's it. So your awning is set right here, and you can leave it up. I will tell you, if the wind is blowing hard, take the awning down. If something happens to the awning, just because there's a big wind, you're still responsible for that. So just be responsible in the way that you have the awning up. It's great, I want you to use it, but I don't want you to have it tore up. It does cost about $600–700 to replace. So don't want that to happen. All right, let's get this back. So we're done camping and ready to take down the awning. A couple things. You're gonna have a little bit of tension here on the awning. But before we do that, we want to put it back down as low as we can get it. Okay. You'll bring the camera right here. Right here is a small clip, and you just push on it, that's all. And it goes right down. Okay? Now that we got it down, we can see it. You've got a little tension on it, and this is the only time that you're going to use this switch. Once when it's up there, and once when it's down. You just give it. You're gonna have to get the tension off, so you pull it down a little bit, and we'll push it back up. Now, the awning spring is activated. I need to get this. Obviously, doing this with two people is very helpful, but you want this in the middle. Move it all the way up. When you get towards the end, just kind of about right there, just going to let it go so that it goes against. And that's it. Make sure to put that back up. Hold in. Right here. Those are locked. These are like twist ties, I guess. Huge twist ties. You want to get them up as far as you can get them. Again, this is just a safety precaution. If the awning is switched over and not switched back, it can fly out while you're driving. Again, you'll be responsible for replacing the awning. That's the awning.